Hi! In this video, we will quickly compare TrafficGuard versus PPC Protect. PPC Protect prevents click fraud and invalid traffic using advanced AI to monitor your ads in real time, analyzing each click and using the data from millions of clicks to determine if the click is legitimate or fraudulent. Through this PPC protect the integrity of over $1 billion of PPC acquisition data each year for marketing, revenue, finance, and operations teams. TrafficGuard is a cloud-based digital ad fraud protection solution, which assists digital advertisers, agencies, and advertisement networks with fraud prevention and mitigation. Key features include campaign analysis, traffic filtering, monitoring, trend analysis, machine learning, and reporting. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.